My beautiful friends, how you're doing? You know how we do it. Let's start the claiming. Start with this one first. Click on this to claim, and now let's go to the next one. This one right here. We're going to be arranging the right ones into any of these four boxes. Follow me closely. The first one is this, goes in there, so we drag it in there. The next one is this one right here, goes into the second box, we drag it in there. And the third one is this, drag it to the third box, so we do the dragging. Okay, and the last one is obviously this one right here. We take it to the last. Okay, so we take it to the last box and we click on the check button, and obviously we are correct as usual. Click on the claim, and then the next place to go to is the spin section. You can go there to spin, okay, to get stuff that would help you fight better. Okay, at the moment I don't have any spins. If you want to get your spins, click on the buy, but mind you, you're going to be spending part of your coins to be able to get 2 spins. If you want to use the Telegram Stars payment system, then you could get 5 spins. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. Go to your profile and click on this to go to the dashboard. Here, click on this, go to the pet section as usual, scroll to the bottom and click on work. And ladies and gentlemen, this is it for this video. Don't forget, PIXFI, the token we've been farming all this while from Pixelverse, is going to be listing on the 18th of this month. I've made a video about it, giving you more details and the necessary things you're supposed to do before the listing. If you want to see that video, it's going to be linked in the description of this video. And also don't forget, I've got a Telegram group. If you're interested, if you fancy joining, use the link in the description. Let's go.